Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is fresh out today, the hottest #1 seller called TESLAR, so Tesla with an R on the end, TESLAR A.I from Glynn Kosky, and 100% done for you AI traffic and commission system. Takes traffic from Twitter, X, and funnels it in towards Clickbank, though you can use it for other Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, any affiliate kind of offers. But what they're doing is taking it from Twitter into Clickbank and making it as a money generating machine, really. This is so hot that I can't get the sales page to load up. So I'm sure that'll be taken care of. Whatever rush is going on, it's the #1 top seller right now. So it's going crazy. And I'm just going to quickly show you through what I've got here on my site. So the link is in the video description. You come to my site, Internet Marketing Success. Bit of a description about, again, from any network, including Warrior Plus, Clickbank, Digistore 24, free traffic, leads, and sales, all in one platform done for you using artificial intelligence. That's why it's so hot. So here, you've got X to get traffic from it, utilize it, directs it, and converts it into a steady flow of Clickbank commissions. They've got a whole system set up, and that's what makes this well worth the $17. I'm going to let you scroll through the blah, blah, blah. Here's what we do. There you go. Front end, $17. There's some upgrades for unlimited version, done for you, traffic, and so on, license rights. You can check that out, but $17 gets you in. Like I say, making money on Clickbank, taking free traffic from X, automated Clickbank commissions. I like that. All served up on a silver platter. So it's called TESLAR A.I. Get to the bottom of the thing, click that box, and boom, you're there. You can grab it for $17. Fresh out today. It's the #1 selling product, and from Glynn Kosky. So he does these kind of super systemized make money opportunities. That's the best way to put it. An opportunity sounds dumb. I'm going to say system. I'm going to say it's really a whole process. AI, software, makes sense. We're taking free traffic from Twitter, putting it into Clickbank opportunities, and you start making money from funneling it towards those offers. So it's called TESLAR A.I. I'm going to let you try and get into the main site. Go check it out. The link's in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Go and check out TESLAR A.I. Enjoy.